Though it has the same sensor resolution as the D5200, the D7100 uses a new and different sensor that does away with the optical low-pass filter, OLPF, ACA anti-aliasing filter, much like the Pentax K5i's. Dropping the filter is intended to increase the sharpness of the native images without introducing the types of artifacts you get when sharpening in post. The trade-off tends to be increased moire, which the camera can usually address adequately for stills but less so for video. Unlike Pentax, which offers a more traditional OLPF version, Nikon's putting all its pixels in one basket and offering just the one model, for now, at least. Not a clue what I'm talking about? Try reading this primer. When scrutinized, the images from the D7100 look sharper than the D5200's, and the extra bit of sharpness helps compensate for noise as the ISO sensitivity rises. That said, nothing about the D7100's photos noticeably outclasses those of the D5200, they're similarly good. Despite using the same metering systems, they seem to have slightly different settings, though, as the D7100's matrix metered exposures appear at 2/3 stop brighter in our lab tests. That's better than those of the D5200. And it does not seem to have the same focus issue in our lab tests that the D7000 did. JPEGs look good clean through ISO 400, though at ISO 400 I start to see a tiny bit of softening. They were good up to about ISO 1600, and potentially usable up through ISO 6400, but as low as ISO 800 you can get better results from raw files, or play with the noise reduction settings.